Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this is dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. You also get some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 17,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.